Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, statistics. Something different. Okay, consider the following 4 sets of numerical data. So we have set P, Q, R, and S. Which of these sets has the largest standard deviation? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng standard deviation?
How this
Ayun, ang
works.
mahirap. Siyempre, pag di nyo maintindihan yun, skip na natin ito agad. Right? So, it's very important na naintindihan nyo kung anong ibig sabihin ng standard deviation. To understand what standard deviation is, we have to know what variance is. Okay? Ang standard deviation, it's actually the square root of what we call your variance. Para malaman natin variance, ano naman ang kailangan natin? Ang variance naman natin is equal to what? It's equal to the sum of the squares of the difference of each data with the mean. And it's the average of that. So, di-divide natin kung ilan silang lahat. Let's say, n number of data. Dito, kunyari, x sub 1 minus the mean, which is represented by x bar, plus x sub 2 minus the mean, etc. Okay?
Okay.
So, that means, para mahanap natin si variance, ang very crucial value na kailangan natin makuha is
Mean.
your mean. So, ano naman yung mean? Mean is simply your
Average.
average. Now, let's take a look. Set P. Anong average niya? Notice here, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Magkaka-equal distance. It implies that the one at the middle, siya na yung mismong mean mo.
Okay.
Set Q, 10, 10, 14, 18, 18. Ganun din yung logic. Kaya dito pa rin yung mean. Set R, parehas lahat. Edi syempre 14 pa rin.
14.
Set S, ganun
Pareha pa
din.
rin.
So,
12.
right? So, ito yung mga mean nila. So, para makuha natin ngayon ang variance, kinukuha natin yung square of the difference of each data with your mean. And then divide it by n. Now, we're comparing the standard deviation. It's like saying we're comparing their variance. Now, let's take a look. Unang-una, out of the 4, unang makikita natin is set R. Para-para sila, 14 minus 14 is
0.
So, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 yan lahat. Kahit ano square mo pa sila, 0 pa rin yun. The variance here is actually 0. And the standard deviation, therefore, is 0.
0.
And gusto natin makuha is the largest. Obviously, out na siya. Pag sa P, so 10 to 14 is 4. 12 to 14 is 2. This is 2 and this is 4. How about dito sa set Q? 4, 4, 4, 4. Ito naman, 2, 1, 1, 2. Anong gagawin natin sa bawat isang distance na ito? Diba sabi natin, is square natin bawat. So, square, 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 square. Alin dyan ang magkakaroon ng pinakamalaking sum?
Q.
Set Q ang pinakamalaking standard deviation kasi siya yung pinakamalaking variance. Yung data mo pinakamalayo sa isa't isa. May discrepancy. So, that's why the answer here is your letter B, set Q.
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UFCA.